Hey guys, I hope you all are having an amazing day. Today we are gonna be making my all classic apple crumble. This is the most asked for recipe and I'm super excited to be finally sharing it with y'all. While apple pie is one of my favorite desserts, the buttery texture of a crumble and the rich cinnamon spiced apple filling takes it to another bliss. Apple crumble literally knows no seasons and you can eat it at any time of the day. Perfect for a midnight snack as well. So let's get all our ingredients ready and let's get started. Start by adding water and vanilla into the apples. Next, add the sugar, flour and cinnamon mixture and mix it all together using a spoon or a spatula. Once done, set this aside. The apple filling looks perfect and it smells heavenly already. Now let's get to making our buttery crumble. Start by taking out the cold butter from the freezer. Add this into the flour mixture and begin rubbing it into the mixture using your fingertips. This process takes a while, but it is so worth it. Continue doing this until the mixture resembles a wet breadcrumb-like texture. Now let's get to assembling our apple crumble. Take out an oven-safe deep dish and start layering the apple filling evenly. Next, add the crumble mixture and spread it evenly over the apples. Top it with some oats and brown sugar. This last step is completely optional and you can go all out with your toppings. You can use berries as well. Once done, bake this for around 40 minutes until the crumble turns golden brown and the apples are soft. Here you go guys, this is my super cozy apple crumble that literally melts in your mouth. The cinnamon spiced apples and the buttery crumble are baked to perfection. This is classic comfort food at its best. This dessert is best served warm with some vanilla ice cream and salted caramel. I love adding salted caramel in literally everything and you can too by following my super simple recipe above. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to this channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye!